We have different types of SSIS tasks like data flow task, which is basically responsible for extracting data from a source and transform data. Then after that, the data is loaded into target data destination. Yesterday we did this using web services. We were retrieving data using script component. We were saving it as XML files. Then after that, using another for each loop, one by one file we take, we move the data into ultimately the destination. So in that process, we transform data. In the script component, we remove the string tag. So after removing string tag, we could convert data into we could move data into database with the help of the XML source, and other thing is what OLEDB destination. We use both XML source and OLEDB destination. With the help of that, we could move data from one source to another source. So that way we did yesterday data flow task. But before that, we were using different controls like web service task. Other thing is for each loop container. So before that, we retrieve data with the help of the execute SQL task. Data we retrieved from database. All the countries information we retrieved. Then with the help of the web service task for every country, what are the cities available, we found. So this is basically a data retrieval, then followed by transforming and moving data or loading data into database. So far we have seen how data flow task is working. We did not see in depth. There are many other features in the data flow task. But overall we are performing few operations using DFT. But other things we have seen, a file system task. Using file system task, we can create folders, we can copy files from one folder to another folder, we can even delete, we can move. Few of these we have done. That is file system task. Similarly, we have a FTP task. We tried to do with FTP, but due to some permission issues, it was not working. We created local host, local FTP we created, and we tried to do, but we could not succeed in that due to certain permission issues. The problem we are facing there. Some access denied message we were getting. Correct, Shweta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we are getting some access denied message. Some number 5, error number 5, something we were getting. We could not do that. But as far as web services task is concerned, it is working successfully. We got connected to webservices.net. From there we retrieve data, using web service, and we are processing even that data. One more task we have done, that is what exactly XML task. So with the help of XML task also, we retrieved data from the given web service. I think if you recall, we were retrieving data from the given web service. That in the currency conversion, sometime back we have done currency conversion. Have you done anything like that, Shweta?
Yes, sir.
So there also we are
Dollar to
using
rupees.
yes XML task. From web service task, output we are sending to XML task, and with the help of XML task using there the what we are using there exactly X path we are using, then we are evaluating there. So with that we could get data conversion rate. After that data we are moving into database. Like that we have done. That was basically XML task. Next thing is here data profiling task. Have you done anything with the data profiling task?
Yes, sir.
So you can profile the data. That means you can test the quality of the data. In the database table or somewhere in the intermediary location, you might have retrieved data. You can find out its quality. Normally, we get connected to database. In the database itself, we try to profile the data. Data profiling meaning is whatever data typing you have in the temporary file, temporary tables, whether there is quality data or not, you can test. This is called as data profiling task. With the help of data profiling task, you can find out whether the data has quality or not. Whenever you try to get some data, you look for the quality of data. Simply if you get data, there is no point in that. You need to look for the quality of data. Whether the data is having quality or not, you can get with the help of the data profiling task. We use data profiling task. With the help of that, we could find out the quality of the given data. So that is from the database table we take and we try to test it. So that was another task, data profiling task. I told you to further explore that because it's required. Next thing is workflow tasks you have. In this one is execute package task. Using execute package task, we can run other packages. Have you done this?
Yes, sir.
We were
From
even
package, we
passing,
have.
yes, parameters also you are passing from one package to another package. Did we pass any parameters like that?
Yes.
So that
Yes,
one
sir.
with the execute package task. And have you done anything with the execute process task?
Yes, sir. In the package, only we used execute process task.
No, no. Package task is different, process task is different. Both are different. We are running separately process task. We are launching some notepad if you recall.
Yes, sir. I mean, while we are doing the packages,
Yes.
we use this process task.
In the same project, we use both.
Yes, sir.
So process task as well as package task, we are using both. That it does not mean that process task is dependent on the package task. Nothing to do with that. Process task is different. Package task is going to be different. Even they can be running parallelly. If you don't put the workflow, they can run parallelly. If you keep workflow, one after another they get executed. If you don't keep workflow, parallelly they can be getting executed. You can execute parallelly things. So here process task is basically to run the external process. Process means a word application, calculator application, something you can launch. So with the help of execute process task you can do it. With the help of package task, some other package you can execute. Now one more thing is you can have one task called as message queue task. There's a task called as message queue task you have. You can use message queue task also sometimes. We have a task called as message queue task. You can use the message queue task. Sometimes you can use it. You have a task called as message queue task. With the help of that, you can be sending messages among the different tasks. You can
Yes,
send
sir.
one message to from one message from one task to another task, one package to another package. You can be sending it. So this is one way of sending messages among the packages. So among the packages, you can be sending here messages with the help of the message queue task. There is a message queue task. With the help of that, you can be sending messages. See, whenever you take any integration project, that may be having number of packages. So a package is basically what a unit of work. It has to execute that particular thing. Okay. So whenever you take any package, it has got only one control task, which is going to be having logic or the workflow for the package. So in these control flows, one of the tasks can be message queue task. You can have actually number of tasks. One task may be related to another task, or after finishing one task, you can go for another task in the given package. So with the help of the workflow, we can do it. There is a logic actually. The logic is only nothing but here workflow. Logic meaning is what? After executing one task, go to another task, some kind of logic we embed. So logically we connect them. So then after that, what happens? One after another they get executed. Okay, so one of such tasks is here message queue task. Suppose we have number of applications and same piece of data we want to say share in the given network. In the given network, what exactly you do? You have to share common data. You have to share some data among between the two applications or between more than two applications. So here what happens? One application is going to send data and the other application takes certain action on the received data. Whatever, see there are application 1, application 2. Application 1 is sending data, application 2 is receiving data. So whenever application 2 receives some data, it has to perform certain action. Okay. But whenever both applications are running, you don't have any problem in the communication. So you have a sending application which is running, but there is no receiving application running. In such case, you have a problem. Similarly, you may be having a receiving application which is running and sender application is not running, then you have a problem. Whenever both sender and receiver are working, in such case there is no problem. The communication can be smooth. But whenever you don't have the receiving application running, whereas sending application is running, so how you manage in such cases? So in such cases, we can go with some temporary storage. What happens? The storage will be available as long as the receiving application hasn't received the data. So whatever data it has to receive, as long as it is not receiving it, what happens? The temporary storage is going to be managing the data. So here what happens? It is going to use FIFO manner. FIFO is nothing but first in first out manner. So transactional and only once delivery, that is. Here what happens? As soon as it only once it sends data, so the sent data is going to be saved somewhere in the temporary storage. As long as that is not received by the recipient application, it is going to be available somewhere in the memory. They manage it. So that is possible with the help of the MSMQ. We call it as message queue server. So this is called as basically message queuing server. So in the case of message queuing server, what happens? Whatever messages are coming, they are going to be kept in the queue. They are going to be kept in the queue. Whatever recipient application has to receive it, it's going to receive them. Okay, so whenever you send data, data may not be delivered to the recipient. Recipient application may not be running, but still it's going to be held with the help of the message queuing mechanism. Okay, so here what happens? Only once the sender is going to sending it, recipient, as long as the recipient is not receiving the message, it is not going to be deleted, the data is going to be available. So as far as MSMQ are concerned, you can have public and private queues. Public and private queues. So as far as a private queue is concerned, so it's going to keep information on the local system and we can access them using the path name, which requires computer name. It's going to use some mechanism like private dollar, and the queue name will queue name all separated by a slash. If you look at the public queue, it is going to be registered in the Active Directory service. We have ADS, Active Directory Services. They are available from the domains. They are going to be available in the domains. Either it can be public or it can be private. Whenever we talk about MSMQ, they can be either private or they can be, they can be public. So suppose you want to install this message queuing, you need to go to Windows control panel. In the control panel, you need to enable that. You have to enable that particular thing. So just go to control panel.
Yes, sir.
Start control panel. This is very important task. This message queuing server is going to be very, very important part. Go to control panel.
Oh, sorry.
Not this one. You should go to
Yes, sir.
control panel. Yes. So where it comes in the administrative tools, it comes. Click on the administrative tools. Okay. In the administrative tools, what you do, go to the computer management. Okay, not computer management. Sorry, it's not administrative tools. Come back. Programs and features. I think you have one. Come back. Programs and features somewhere you find it. Yes. So here you need to turn on Windows features or you need to turn off as per the requirement. In the left side you have a yes, turn Windows features on or off. You understood what exactly message queue server now? Shweta, you understood? Preeti, you understood what is message queue server? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So message queue server basically is a
Yes, sir.
mechanism with the help of that you can be sharing messages among the applications. Hello, Funny, are you following this what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
So message queue server basically is a enable kind of tool actually. With the help of that what happens, the messaging among two applications is actually made possible. One application sends message, another application has to receive message. If both of them are running, probably it can be received without any difficulty. But sender is running, recipient is not running. In such case, how do you manage? With the help of the message queue server, you can make it. Now expand here, expand this plus here. Now here see, here you have plus Microsoft message queue server. Here see, click on plus. No, click on the plus there, plus symbol, expand it. Yes. Okay, you try to enable everything.
Yes, sir.
Check 1, Microsoft Active Directory Domain Services Integration, MSMQ triggers, MSMQ HTTP support, multicasting support, all these are being enabled now by you. Okay, so what you have done, you have enabled this one. The features are turned on. So once features are turned on, you can be using now the message queue server. One application can be sending message to another application in this now. One application sends message to another application. So now how we are going to implement C? Basically, this is a message queuing mechanism. Often your applications require sending and receiving messages. So we have installed this one. So with messaging queue task, this SSIS packages are going to communicate with MSMQ for sending and receiving messages. So here these messages can be between two SSIS packages or they can be between any other applications queue. With the help of custom applications also you can make it. But right now what we do, we try to share, we try to send message from one application to another application. We are going to send here some message from one application, one package to another package we sent. Okay, so we try to take here some package and with the help of that we try to do. We try to use here everything in the local computer only because we don't have any other computer. We are not going to have any other computer. Therefore, we use in the same computer only in the local in the same computer we can be doing it. So just take one package, drag and drop message queue component. So here what we do, we try to push message from one package to another package. We are going to push data from one package to another package in this. So with the help of the message queue task. So this is one of the control flow tasks for us. Using control flow task, we are going to do it. Okay, so open the SSIS, this message queue task you open in this. Go to the properties. What properties are available in this C? Okay. So here, what are the properties? No, edit this one. Try to edit this. Right click and edit. Click two times on that. Otherwise, on the component you click two times. Edit. So this one is what here. Use 2000 format MSMQ connection. Try to create first of all MSMQ connection. Cancel this. Yes. So create a MSMQ connection. Hmm. So path you need to specify here the file name. Click on the path here. Okay, we need to create path in this. Before that, just cancel it once. Okay, fine. Once again, open the connection manager. Here, see, come to the MSMQ. Uh, come to the MSMQ. Just click on add here. Okay, message. Try to put here message to connection manager. Then, in the case of path, click on the path here. So here, put path is going to be the we don't have active directory services. In such cases, just put dot. You can put dot. In fact, you can put just dot. Okay, you don't have here the dot you require. of what we can keep in this. We enable that, that is fine. Okay. So put there dot slash, put just like that. No, other slash, dot slash, then write in that something like private dollar, you put private dollar, just type
Private, okay.
private, yes, private dollar. Then again here put a slash, put some file name, my SSIS message, my SSIS MSG, you put MSG, MSG, SGG, I am saying message. Click on test here. Click on the test. Message queue has not been installed on this computer, saying, but we just enabled it. Click on OK. Okay, click on cancel here, this one. So once again cancel. Go to the this one control panel. Come to control panel. Now here already it's open. See, it's already open. In the bottom you have window, open window. Yes, that one. What is the other window you have here? One more icon also available in the left side. See, one more icon. Sorry, right side. Right side, one more icon you have. What is that icon? Click on that. See, this is not closed. Here, see, minimize this one here. 1 minute. Don't close that. First of all, minimize that. Microsoft Message course, you minimize that. Minimize this one here first. This one you minimize, and here check this one. No, check in that checkbox. Go to the checkbox and check that. Yes, click on that once again. No, the blue color you have there. Click on that. Click once again. Okay. Why it is not getting enabled? Internet Internet
It's
service.
not enabling, sir.
Okay. Now expand plus again. Therefore, once again expand plus. See, DOM proxy. This one also enable in the bottom MSMQ DCOM proxy. Okay. Expand this plus here again. Everything you start now. Yes. And now fine. Now close this here. Close now. Come outside and close. Close the window. Even this window also close now. I think this is enabled. Now this has been enabled here. Okay, so open the MSMQ new connection. Try to make see this is what exactly dot slash private dollar slash my put here SSIS MSG you put. Okay, then click on test. Message queue is not installed in this computer, it says. Click on OK. So here, click on OK on this first of all. Click on OK. Once again, come to the control panel. Come to the control panel. Open this one, the programs and features. Turn Windows features on or off. Scroll down again in this. See, you need to run as administrator. Always you have to run as administrator all these things. It's not getting enabled. So here, just cancel it. Cancel this operation. Cancel this. This one also cancel. Start like an admin always. Not this one. Minimize this. Minimize this. So refresh. Start the control panel as an admin, or if you come to programs and features, at least like an admin, you need to run. Right click on that. If you can't right click, just click on that. Fine. Click on that.
Open, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Open. When it comes to programs and features, at least on that you have any provision to right click and run as administrator. Okay. No.
No,
Just
sir.
open. But when you get programs and features, I think right click on that. Right click.
No, sir.
We don't have any provision. So
No.
now click on the turn Windows features on or off.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come to the Microsoft Message Services, Message Queue Service. Yes, click, check there. It's not enabling everyone. Yes, there also. Okay. Features are turned on. Now close this window once. Close this window once. Close the window. Okay. Once again open the turn Windows features on or off. Not getting enabled. Just check there. Check there. What's the reason? Okay. Fine. Click on OK. Yes, now it is happening. Without clicking on OK, probably we are closing window. Due to that, it was all happening. Any tension and problem is not. Huh? See, it was the achievement. Don't worry much about all those. Huh? University is a blacklist and now. Huh? Are you worrying? Preeti Fund, you also try to configure this uh, this one message queue server. You also try to configure message queue server.
Sir, right now laptop is not with me, sir. I am logging with the mobile, sir.
Okay. Once you turn on your computer, try to do this.
Oh, sure, sir.
Even yesterday's tasks also we need to practice how we were retrieving from the web service, how we are putting into XML files, later on how we are retrieving from XML file with the help of the XML source, then how do we send to the database. These are all very very important. With the SSIS practically you are going to do such things, and you should know about the XML. XML is very very important. Completed, Shweta there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now close this. Now this is enabled in fact. Close this, come to the package. In the package, try to test it. First of all, open the connection manager. Already I think connection manager is available. Okay, not available. Fine. Click on add. Then try to put the path here. This is for the local computer. When you are using local computer, you need to put this. If it's not local computer, Then in that case, you need to specify the Active Directory domain. Test now. Click on the test. Invalid path it is saying. Okay. Invalid path you are getting in that. So saying invalid path for us in that. Why there is invalid path? Just 1 minute. Let us solve the problem. Hello? Yes? వస్తున్నా మధు ఇవాళ వస్తున్నా రేపు రండి ప్లీజ్ లేకుంటే మధు ఇవాళ కొంచెం నాకు పని ఉంది ఇవాళ యాక్చువల్గా అదే రేపు కూడా మంగళవారం అవుతుంది ఎల్లుండి బుధవారం రండి ప్లీజ్ ఇవాళ అవ్వదు ప్లీజ్ నేనే మీకు కాల్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నా నాకు కొంచెం బయట పోయి పని ఉంది మేడం కానీ మరి ఆ జూలా గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నారా మీరు అదే తీసుకొని వచ్చి కేర్ఫుల్గా చేసుకోండి ప్లీజ్ బుధవారం సరే ఓకే In my system I am checking. Here try to put capital P. Should not be a difference in fact. Dot slash private dollar followed by Q name you can put. Yes, now put some name there.
Any name, sir?
Any name you put. Yes. Click on my files, click on OK, test, click on test it. Invalid path it's saying path by invalid path. Path is correct only. So dollar dot when we put it is going to be your local computer. From your local computer you are going to do it. The local dot you can use for local computer. Try to put your computer name in that. It should not be when you test it. So once again click on test. Invalid path it says. Have you kept your file computer name? Click on OK. I was asking you to enter your computer name in the place of dot. Try to put your computer name. Remove dot. You put your computer name. Remove dot. And what is the name of your computer?
1 second, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now try to click on just test. Invalid path it says. Click on OK. Path is valid only. When you take dot, it should come automatically. Dot slash private dollar. It should work. Why this is not working? Whenever you specify the path name, hmm, path what we keep is correct. Is correct only. Okay. Why it is not accepting? Should I accept? Why it says invalid path? Getting invalid path message. So try to put some mechanism with the help of that you can be solving it. Try to type in the chart window what has to be done in this. Okay. Your machine name is what home PC you have in that.
Yes, sir.
Home PC you put followed by your name is what you put here SSIS my files or SSIS MSG you put. Okay. And probably this can work for you. In the chart window I typed something then try to put that. Copy and paste that one. Now try to test it. Cannot determine. Click on OK. Direct format name equal to format name. Uh, so here it is. Editor you have taken. Direct. In the place of home PC, try to put only just a dot. Remove that. Try to put only dot and click on test. Okay, this is not giving anything. Still you are getting message. From here, sending is becoming very difficult. Otherwise, try to put here format name, click on OK here. Format name direct, click on OK. This one dismiss window. Here in the place of the OS, after that you have a dot, remove the dot there. Okay, there try to type 127.0.0.1. 127.0.0.1 you can put there. And before that you put TCP also. Before 127 point, just put after colon TCP colon you put again. TCP colon, click on test. Okay, click on OK. Click on OK there. So here what you do, format name direct you have taken, remove OS also. Format name equal to direct equal to OS you remove. Try to put just delete that. Delete totally. Yes. Colon also delete. Now click on test here. False syntax is invalid. Click on OK. Remove the TCP there. TCP colon you remove. Click on test. False syntax is invalid it says. Click on OK. Remove that. Try to put once again dot. Here remove actually you have two slashes. You remove one slash from that. Yes. Remove a slash. There also remove another slash. Next line. Remove slash. Click on OK. Invalid queue path name it says. Should not be any invalid queue path name. They try to give incomplete things always. They never give correct features. Whenever you take this one. Path name you are giving correct, but why it is not accepting path name? Dot slash private slash you specified, that's correct only. Why this is giving in this manner? SSIS queue, private queues, it's creating for you. Okay, message queuing. Can you go to, first of all, just cancel this here once again go to configuration manager. Yes. Here, once again go to control panel. Correct. We forgot to do that. Yes, come to the once again control panel. Administrators they do all these things well. Right here, programs and features. Programs and features. Now in this, go to the here turn Windows features on and off. So this is enabled for you. Expand Microsoft Message Queue Server. Expand it. Expand that. This is okay. It's all fine. Close this window here. Close this. Yes, close this. You need to configure. You should be in the control panel. You need to configure.
You want me to close this one, sir?
No, control panel. You should come to control panel. We need to set up here actually a message queue. We need to set a message queue first of all. So anywhere are you getting application server in this? In the administrative tools, go with the application server. Anywhere application server are you getting here? Anywhere do you get message queue server here? Okay, you don't have. Click on the management. Computer management here only. Otherwise, go to component services. Go to component services. Very first one. Yes, open that. Expand the component services. Expand computers. My computer expand. Here see DCOM. Expand DCOM config. Click on yes. In this, can you scroll down in this? Anywhere message queue services are you having here? Okay, not this one. I think you don't get here. Close this window. Close this window. Here, computer management. Come to computer management. So in this, you should have here some service and applications. Expand service and applications. Here at the bottom. Yes. No. Expand that. In this, you have message queuing. See, you have message queuing. Private queues. Expand private queues. Right click on the select private queues. Okay, new queue you try to write. Click on the new, go to create a private queue. Try to put now dollar here. See, now this time we get this point we are forgetting. So write it my SSIS MSG. Okay, make it transactional. Okay, you make. Fine. Now close this here. Remember this my SSIS MSG. Now come to the open the message queue task. Okay, no connection manager. Sorry, connection manager. Here in this, yes, add. Right here the path dollar slash. Put dollar, sorry, not dollar, dot slash private dollar slash. Now test it. Test connection succeeded. Now it is available to you. Click on OK. Click on OK here. Now you need to make the message queue there. So you should send now here. Okay. You need to now here you need to MSM connection you take, message queue connection you take there. Yes, this is what connection manager 1. Now go to the send. In the send whatever is available. No, 2 you take, 1 only you take. You have 1, you don't have 1 only, that's correct. Just now you created. Go to send. In the send option what is available, see, send. Okay, message type is send message. You try to write some message. Hello and welcome. Hello and welcome you put there. Just put some message, type some message in that. Hello and welcome. So like this. Now welcome. Okay, come to general here. Come to general. This one is what message, send message it is. If you click on the send message, what will be in that? See, take it, receive message you have. You are sending message. select send message. Now click on OK. Use here one script task. Take the script task, you put here, from there you extend to script task here. Now open the script task here, edit. So here write, read only variable is nothing actually, no variable here, you don't have any variable. Just edit script. In the message box try to show message is sent to message queue server. Message is sent to, here write message box dot show. In the brackets write double quotes message queue server. Message queue server, message queue server received the message. Received the message. No, in the next line, not there. Cursor is jumping into previous line. Received message. Yes. Put semicolon. Okay. This is the package. Save this package now. Save this. Don't run. Just save this package. You try to give proper names for the package. So try to say something like, fine, Sunday August 1, but even for package also you need to put proper name. Right here, MSMQ task. MSMQ task. Okay. Now this is what exactly, this is for sending. Now take one more application you create, this is going to receive. Click on the file here. Click on the file, go with the new, it's a project, SSIS project. Yes. Try to put not integration services August 1, you try to put name there so you will not be searching much. August 1, SSIS, MSMQ, receiver, something like that if you put, that is going to be meaningful. Save that. Now here you need to do with the recipient. Again take the not web service task, it is going to be MSMQ task, message queue task. Yes, drag and drop that. Even here you require connection manager. Yes.
Sir, we
Here
need
try
to
to
create
put
the
the path.
path at
What's
first.
the path you have in this local machine, that is? Put dot slash private dollar. What was the queue name you just kept there? My SSIS MSG, or what it is? MSG. Is it correct?
Yes,
Click
sir.
on test here. If you test, you can know.
Yes.
Yes, test connection succeeded. Click on OK. Here what you do? Now open this, configure this one. Here right. Receive message. Now go to the MSMQ connection. Enable. Fine. Receive. Click on that. So message type is string message. But you need to retrieve data with that. You have to retrieve data from that. So here go to the expressions. Whatever message you make, expand expressions there. So here write, you need to put some property name there. What is the property name exactly? Not that. Okay. Force execution. Message string you take. Find here. Click on the expressions here. Expressions. Click on the expressions. 3 dots you have seen the end. Variables and parameters. Try to create a variable in this. Here try to create a variable. New variable try to create. Otherwise cancel here. Cancel here, just wait. Here you cancel. Cancel even here also. Okay, cancel. Try to create a variable first of all. MSG, you put it as variable name as MSG. Okay, this is string data. Yes. No, don't put anything there. Value. So I try to put some zero in that. Put value 0. Close this. Now come to this message queue task. Configure properly. MSMQ manager. Receive message. Now go to the receive there. Receive option. In this, okay, expressions. Here take expand expressions. Property name you take the message, that is. Message, some message string. So expressions you take. In this try to write. Yes. Select it. Equal to. Operator you take equal. So here go to the system variables there. Go to system variables. From here try to use the message parameter variable, anything like that. Is it available? Just see. Go like that. Okay, you are not getting anything like that. You need to even receive the message there. You have to receive messages. Okay, so just cancel it. Cancel here. This one you cancel. Expression is not required. So cancel this one. Cancel. Now once again open the message queue task. Edit. Here see message queue connection you have, receive message you have here, description you have here. Go to the receive once again. In this see message type, come to message type. Click on that. Yes. Message, string message to variable you take. Here variable name try to assign in the bottom. Take variable name. Yes. Click on OK. So here what you do, once again script task you take. Script task you take. Yes. Here extend it to script task. Open that. Now here in this you can take the variable MSG, check that one, go to the right side, click on OK. Now here edit script. Now open this, try to print the message. Message box.show. That variable, whatever variable you have, you are passing the DTS variables that you can put. Not in double quotes. Yes, in square brackets you put the MSG. Yes. Yes. Dot value dot toString. Try to print it. Close the bracket. Yes. Now close this here. Don't run this. First of all, you need to run that particular thing. You need to run first of all the very first package. After that, you need to run this. Save this.
So
Open
you
the first
want me to
task.
Okay, sir.
First project, because you are sending message from there. Open that, try to run. Not
Yes, sir.
okay. Try to run this now. Yes, MSDQ server received message, sent message you need to get. Fine. So stop it from running. Just after 2 minutes you try to open that, because whether it receives or not after certain time, see. So messages are queued up here in this now. All the messages are going to be queued up in this. With the help of queue server, we are going to get those things. Now open the uh, yes. Now try to run this time. Run this. Hello and welcome. This message is coming from there. Click on OK.
Yes, sir.
So like this, what is happening? First in, first out kind of thing you are getting in this. You are getting first in, first kind of thing. Stop it from running. Stop it from running.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So once again run. So same message is being delivered again and again there. So once you receive message, normally you should delete. If you keep like that, that would be fine in fact. Instead of putting forever the message in the message queue server, you need to delete that data from the message queue server. That would be then fine. So with this, what is happening? We are actually sharing data among the packages. Even among the applications, you can be sharing same kind of data. Same data can be shared among the applications. So the servers are implemented in this manner. In fact, the chart servers are normally implemented in the same manner here. It is in the MSMQ server. Whenever you send any message, it's going to be staying there. From there, it can be retrieved by client, and client can communicate in the same manner. So this way, normally, it's happening here for us. This is called as basically MSMQ message queue server. So we implemented in this way. It is only local because you don't have any access to network. Therefore, locally implement like this. You understood all the process now? Shweta,
Yes, sir.
understood all the process?
Yes, sir. I got
Okay.
it.
Uh, Funny, you understood this one? How this is happening? Any questions on this?
Yes, sir. Yes, no, sir.
So first of all, you need to enable the MSMQ server from the control panel. You should go to control panel, then you should be enabling. How can you enable it? Turn program features on and off. With the help of that, you have to enable, you have to turn on MSMQ server. So once you turn on, you should go to the again using the application with the help of the programs and other programs and controls. With the help of that, what you do, you create a message queue, private message queue you are going to create. So once you create private message queue, with the help of that you can be sending it. Now try to make one more application. We think that what exactly is happening with this, it is working properly. I mean, already MSN is enabled. We assume like that because it's enabled here. Now create another message queue. With the help of that, what you do, from a text file you read data. From a text file you read data. So the data may be number of rows. You are going to get all the data you have to send to another package. A text file contains number of lines. Number of lines of data is available in a text file. So from the text file you need to read data. So one line data you have to send as one message to the recipient package. Understood, Shweta, my requirement? You
Yes,
have a
sir.
text file. From the text file you need to retrieve lines of data. One line at a time you must send.
Okay, sir.
Or else just try to send one simple message first. Try to send one simple message. For that
Okay,
again
sir.
try to write one more queue you create first of all. How to create QSC first? Go to again go to this particular control panel. You are in the control panel. Once again come to control panel. Try to create one more queue. We created just now my SSIS MSD queue we created. Let us create one more queue now.
Yes, sir.
So which feature you use in this? Programs and features is it? Go to the administrative tools. Now from here computer management. Go to computer management. Second option is computer management. Open that. So from 1 minute, from computer management, no, just wait. How you are coming to that? Just show. First of all, collapse service and applications. Here see service and applications you collapse. In the left side you have service and applications. So like this by default is available to you. Expand that service and applications now. Service and applications expand. From here try to use message queuing. Go to message queuing, expand the message queuing. Now here try to create private queues. Expand that. Now here already we created one folder. So just private queue, try to put a name here. Try to put some other name. Some different name try to put this time. A different name you can put. Any name, whatever name you would like to put, you can put there.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Fine. August Monday. Don't make transactional. Don't make
Okay, sir.
that. Uncheck. Click on OK. Fine. Now try to create two more packages with proper names. One package must be sending, other package must be receiving. So while doing, just
Sure.
explain how you are doing it.
Okay, sir. First, I need to create the connection manager, sir.
Yes.
And here I have to go with the MSMQ.
Yes.
And add.
Still you've done that.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes. How do you put that? Dollar, where is dot? You put dot.
Yes, sir. Dot
Slash.
hash.
Yes. Private dollar and slash. Followed by the queue name. Something you
August Monday.
August Monday, something like that. And one more thing, try to put a proper name there. First of all, put a proper name. Name don't leave like message queue connection manager. Try to put proper name there. So with that you don't have confusion. On the top you have a name, message queue connection manager. You have just try to put a proper name in that. Yes, sender.
Yes, sir.
Just click on OK. Yes. Send here.
Yes, sir.
Take here string message. Variable
It's a
message
string
you want to
message.
take or string message, hard coded message. That's up to you whether you want to send hard coded message or you want to go with a variable message. You can send variable message or you can send a hard coded message. Hard code meaning is got some constant value is called as hard coding, whereas variable message means that may be coming from some source. Try to put some message here. Type any message here.
Yes, sir.
Some message you type. Yes. Click on OK. No expressions are required here. Nothing is required.
Yes, sir.
Create it.
So here I'll go with the script task, sir.
Script you can put or something else also you can put just to give a user indication that it has sent. For that purpose we can use it.
Yes, sir. So I'll take the script task only in the receiver side, sir, not in the
Okay,
sender side.
fine. This is fine. This is what exactly sender package you created. Now go
Yes,
with
sir.
the receiver package.
Receiver.
Okay. Yes, close the window. So once you receive message, try to delete the message also. No longer keep the message. Like that, try to keep. Any provision can we give here? Just see for that.
Yes, sir.
Receive message. So remove message from queue. You can make true in such cases. Yes. You can go to the top. No, on the top. See, remove message from
Yes, sir.
queue. True you make. Click on OK.
No expression, sir?
No expression. Why expression required? You assign the variable to that.
Yes, sir.
Expressions when you are logically changing. I mean when you are changing on the fly the values of variables, you need to use expressions.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
See, one thing we need to learn from Americans is whenever you create some control or some component, you leave like that only. You are keeping it as message task only. What exactly it is doing, you need to put there. See, when Americans do same kind of thing, they try to put proper name for it. Finishing from them is very good in fact. Whatever they do, they try to do perfect, with perfection. We know how to do, we have logic and everything, but I mean, whenever we complete everything, so it is not going to, finishing is not very good with us. So if you learn finishing techniques and the proper way to try to present, then definitely, I mean, it's going to be very good. I'm seeing with Americans and ourselves, when we compare, we don't do finishing good. They do finishing good, and the beginning also they give very good beginning. Nivas, what is your observation? Yes. Run the first
Yes, sir.
package, after that come to the second package.
Sure, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
You can disable this now. So you can stop it from running. It is sent.
Yes, sir.
Come to the yes. Try to execute this.
Yes, sir. Structured
Giving
query language.
message. Click on OK. Stop it from running once. Again try to execute. What happens in this?
Yes, sir.
Why it is taking so much time?
Because we checked that box as true, sir.
There is no
Messaging
data
from
available.
yes, sir.
It is waiting for the input message. Since message is not available, it should be timing out. It has to time out. After some time, it will be coming out from that. Looking for
Yes,
the
sir.
message there. It looks for the message in that. Any message is coming or not, it waits for some time, then after that, it will be timing out. So like this, you are going to do with the message queue. So this is what exactly message queue server. This is going to be very much useful. Message queue server when you want to share messages among the packages or even among the applications. So timed out, you may improve. Timeout after what one? You kept only one. Fine. Try to run again this one.
So, sir,
That's
just I
okay.
said it says true.
That's what. Now try to run this. It gives timeout message after some time. It's giving
Yes.
immediately. It's failing totally. So in such case, you need to put appropriate messages. When it's failing, it should go to other way. There are no messages like that we need to put. When it's failing, when it's succeeding, you can
Okay.
come to script task. When it's failing, you take another script task, try to assign to that. And names also, you try to put proper names. Naming convention is very, very important. It's a
This is
failure.
success, sir, and yes, sir. This will be failure.
Yes. Yes. Click on OK. Now try to put task there. In the message box you put, there are no messages in the message queue.
Sir,
No
here also I
variables.
need to
You don't
select
require
the
any. No, no, no,
variable.
no variable. Where is the variable for you? Just
Sir,
think
I
about
have
that.
variable.
Where is the variable? See, it did not. It does not. It does not have any message there. When there is no message, there is no point in using variable. Click on the edit script.
Okay.
Here write message box dot show.
1 second, sir.
Monica, are you following all these?
Yes, sir.
Now try to run that. Message, some message you put. There are no messages in the queue. Why DTS you require? You are not accessing any variables.
Any variable. Yes,
That's
sir.
why just put a constant value. Before we write any single statement also, we need to think about that, why we are writing that. Yes,
So I'm writing here as no message from sender, sir.
yes, that's correct. Close the bracket, put semicolon. Now try
Yes, sir.
to close and try to run that.
Sure, sir.
It
Yes,
says
sir.
no
No
message
message
from
from sender.
sender. Like this, you can keep it. So this way what is happening? You completed the workflow totally. When message is coming, you go to the script task, you say there what is the message it is. When it's no
Yes, sir.
message, you come to the script task one, you can put that. In fact, we don't simply display messages, we do something else. But here in this, we are trying to demonstrate how they can be working. Funny, you have any questions on this?
No, sir, I'm good.
Okay. But you need to practice a lot. I mean, without practicing, it's very difficult because all these you forget, and all these are going to be not that easy. They are a little bit complex only. So with practice only, you'll be getting the required perfection.
Okay, sir.
Fine. So tomorrow we are going to meet, but before that,
Okay,
try
sir.
to practice all these things.
Okay, sir.